striking cuts, angular lines, the distinctive beauty of Heritage Vintage AR shingles. Before installing these shingles, please refer to the detailed written instructions located on each shingle wrapper. They can also be found online at www.tamko.com or by calling Tamko Direct at 1-800-641-4691. In addition to Heritage Vintage AR shingles, Tamko offers a complete line of residential roofing options, including Lamerite composite shingles, Metalworks steel shingles, Heritage laminated asphalt shingles, Heritage XL AR shingles, and 3-tab asphalt shingles. Other residential offerings include waterproofing materials, ventilation products, asbestos-free cements and coatings, Evergreen and Elements composite decking and railing, and the TamRail railing system. A complete line of commercial roofing options is also available, including the Awaplan family of products. Each of these products delivers the assurance of Tamko quality, performance, and durability.